Dear students, welcome to the English second paper class brought to you by Amar Ghore Amar school. You know that the whole world has been infected with the deadly virus corona, and in this situation the government has taken decision to take your classroom to your home through Sangshad Bangladesh television. So let's start today's class. The topic that you are going to learn today is articles. You are going to find this topic at Unit 3 in your prescribed book. Before starting the class, let's see a video.
It was Sunday. Jim decided to go to the zoo. There he saw an ape and an orangutan. An elephant was eating a sugarcane. An antelope was drinking water from a trough. An ostrich was hiding its face under the sand. A panther was walking to and fro in his cage. An alligator was lazing near a pond. The lion seemed to be in a bad mood. He roared very loudly. Jim had an ice cream and went back home.
So I'm sure you have guessed what's going to be the topic of today's class. Yes, you have guessed it right. The topic that we are going to learn today is articles. So what are the learning outcomes of today's class? After today's class, you'll be able to understand the uses of definite articles and you'll be able to write sentences correctly using definite article the. Now what is article? An article is a word used before a noun that indicates whether or not the reference is to a specific entity or entities or an unspecific one. That means articles are going to be placed before noun and it is going to refer to the noun whether is it specific or unspecific. So how many types of articles are there? As you know, there are two types of articles, the definite article and the indefinite article. Now the definite article is only one, which is the. On the other hand, there are two indefinite articles, a and an. What is indefinite article? The indefinite articles are used to refer to a single and unspecified entity. A is used with nouns that start with a consonant sound, as in battery, while an is used with words that start with a vowel sound, as in iPad. What is definite article then? The is definite article, and definite article refers to a specific entity or entities. For example, the earth is round. Now, earth is something that is unique of its kind. For this reason, we have used the definite article the before it. Now, in this class, we are going to look closely at the different uses of the as definite article before different nouns. The first rule, we use the when we refer to something for the second time. For that reason, when the information becomes old, we are going to use the before it. For example, this is Asma Ahmed's bedroom. The room is very neatly made. Now in the first sentence, when we are saying this is Asma Ahmed's bedroom, the information of bedroom is completely new to us. But in the second sentence, the room is very neatly made, the information has been used for the second time. That means the information has become old. For that reason, we have used the before room. Now, what is the next rule? We use the when we refer to any person or object specifically. That means being particular. For example, there are few windows in the room. The windows are covered with large heavy curtain. In the second sentence, the windows are specific in the sentence. Which windows the speaker is referring to? Yes, the windows are the windows of Asma Ahmed's bedroom. We also use the to refer to something that has no alternative. That means that is unique of its kind. For example, the sun is the source of energy in the earth. Here, sun and earth both does not have any alternative. For this reason, we are using the before it. We also use the before the names of river, oceans and seas. For example, the Nile, the Pacific. We also use the article the before the points on the globe. For example, the equator, the North Pole. We also use the before geographical areas. For example, the Middle East, the West. We also use them before deserts, forests, gulfs and peninsulas. For example, the Sahara, the Amazon forest. So here we have another video where we are going to see closely about the different uses of definite article the.
Articles. Now look at these sentences. The dress is pink in color.
The children are playing with a ball.
The water is not fit for drinking. The is a definite article. Use the to talk about something in particular that may be singular or plural and countable or uncountable. We use the with plural names of people, groups and places. We use the with proper names of books, oceans, seas, rivers, canals, bridges and mountain ranges. For example, Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. We do not use the with the proper name of a person, country, state, lake or a mountain. For example, Vembanad Lake is in Kerala.
So where are we going to use the in geographical names? First one, when we are going to refer to direction and regions, we are going to use the. For example, the north, the south, the east and the west. When we are going to refer to unions of countries and states, we are also going to use the. For example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Now here, the United Kingdom is a union of countries. For this reason, we have used the before it. But if we refer to just one country, for example, Bangladesh, We are not going to use the definite article the. Next rule is group of islands. When we refer to group of islands, for example, the Philippines, we are going to use the definite article the before it. But if we refer to the Saint Martin, it's just one island. For this reason, we are not going to use any article before it. Next rule is when we refer to seas or oceans, we are going to use the definite article the. For example, the Mediterranean Sea, the Nile, the Bay of Bengal. In this class, we have learned that an article is a word used before a noun that indicates whether the reference is specific or unspecific. We have also learned what is definite article. Definite articles are used before old information, specific references, and for unique entities. Dear students, now it's time for homework. As you can see, I have given you the homework from page number 43 of your prescribed book by NCTP. What you have to do? You have to fill in the spaces with a, an, the, or a cross mark if no article is necessary. I'm going to read out the SW for you. Dash motor vehicles and dash greenhouses cause pollution as it damages dash environment. All pollutions are bad, but dash pollution we cause is dash. Water is perhaps the worst. I love watching dash movies. Dash movies are good sources of entertainment. Last week I saw a movie, Troy. It was fantastic. Honesty and dash sincerity are two great qualities of human life. However, sometimes it appears that dash honesty and dash sincerity our farmers are showing every day are not evaluated. I'm a food taster. I like even dash food of small ethnic groups. Last time, dash foods I tried in Rangamati and Khagrachuri were great. Dash World is yet to ensure dash food for all. My brother is studying dash history. His special interests are dash history of the Pharaoh and dash history of dash post-communist era. So dear students, what you have to do, I am repeating again, you have to put right articles in the gaps or cross mark if no article is necessary. Do the homework. Submit it to your teacher when the school reopens. The evaluation given by your teacher will be added to your continuous assessment. With this, we have come to the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson. If you want to watch this class again, go to our Facebook page, Amar Ghore Amar School, or go to our YouTube channel, Amar Ghore Amar School. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.